Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to environmental chemistry. What are the key factors of solid to state reactions? Size of the particles, mechanical properties of solids, thermodynamic and kinetic factors, environmental factors. The answer is environmental factors. Thermodynamic considerations decide whether or not a reaction should occur in a solid state by assessing the change in free energy involved, while kinetic factors govern the rate at which the reaction happens. Which approach can be employed to produce high degree of homogeneity in a reaction of zinc iron oxide spinol? Distillation method, vaporization method, coprecipitation method, crystallization method. The answer is coprecipitation method. The reactants are mixed together manually or mechanically in a conventional solid state reaction, and the ensuing reaction rate is largely determined by the degree of homogeneity accomplished during mixing and the intimacy of contact between grains. With the co-precipitation method, a high degree of homogeneity can be achieved while maintaining a tiny particle size, speeding up the reaction pace. In the zone melting approach, which of the following principles was used? Impurities concentrate in the liquid phase than in the gaseous phase. Impurities concentrate in the solid than in the liquid phase. Impurities concentrate in the gaseous phase than in the solid phase. Impurities concentrate in the liquid phase than in the solid phase. The answer is impurities concentrate in the liquid phase than in the solid phase. The zone melting approach is based on the idea that impurities tend to concentrate in liquid rather than solid phases. As a result, the moving molten zone sweeps impurities out of the crystal. Purification and crystal formation of high melting metals like tungsten has been accomplished using this technology. Which solid structure has a definite and sharp melting point? All types of solids. No types of solid. Amorphous solids. Crystalline solids. The answer is crystalline solid. The structure of crystalline solid is completely organized and collapses at a specified temperature. Amorphous substances melt at a variety of temperatures rather than a single temperature. Dash is a crystalline, basic, repetitive structure unit. Rhombic and monoclinic, rhombic and triclinic, hexagonal and triclinic, hexagonal and monoclinic. The answer is rhombic and monoclinic. Sulfur has two polymorphic structures, rhombic and monoclinic. When a single substance crystallizes in two or more forms, depending on the conditions, it is called polymorphous structure. What is the total number of Bravas lattice in the crystal structures? Three, 6, 14, 24. The answer is 14. The Bravais lattice of a structure is formed by combination of the crystal system and the lattice type. There are 14 possible Bravais lattices. They can be calculated by combining several allowable crystal systems and space lattices, such as monoclinic, C-centered monoclinic, and primitive triclinic, which are three of the 14 conceivable Bravais lattices. When X-rays are diffracted by a series of planes, the resultant intensity is sometimes zero. Those are created by absent reflections. What is the number of absent reflection divided? 2, 10, 50, 100. The answer is 2. These missing refractions are classified in two groups: those that are missing due to a quirk in structure, and those that are missing due to the structure's symmetry or kind of lattice. Systematic absence are what they are called. Which of the following claims about crystal lattice diffraction pattern is correct? Diffraction pattern process. Diffraction patterns possess a center of symmetry. Diffraction patterns don't have central symmetry. Diffraction patterns are linear space. Diffraction patterns are alpha rays. Diffraction pattern process. The answer is diffraction patterns possesses a center of symmetry. In reciprocal space, diffraction patterns have a symmetry center. This loft claim implies that Miller indices, positive HKL and negative HKL refraction are comparable, provided that anomalous dispersion is not present. Diffraction pattern process. What are the crystallization's initial materials? Liquid, aqueous solution, emulsion. Gas, aqueous solution, foam. Aqueous solution, melt, glass or gel. Solid, gas, melt, solid aerosol. The answer is aqueous solution, melt, glass or gel. Aqueous solutions, whether in form of a melt, glass or gel, are typically homogeneous, single phase and amorphous. This could make crystalline product formation much easier, as long-range ion diffusion may not be required, and the product would form at a lower temperature. Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for participating in environmental chemistry. Please do like, share, and subscribe.